guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have an unboxing of my new journaling Bible, and I wanted this one because it has blank pages, my other Bible that I had, and I really loved it, but I found that I wasn't really using it to its full potential. I had the Inspire Bible, and the Inspire Bible, if you know, has pre-printed coloring images on a lot of the pages, not all of them, but most of them. And so I thought when I had asked for that one for my Christmas, I think it was 2 years prior, that I would want to do that and would use it more, but I really found myself wanting to do other things. So I would either cover up the images or, you know, sometimes I did fill them in and then I would add more to the pages. And it was a beautiful Bible, and I still really love it. But it's getting fat, so I needed to get a new one for this year. So I found this one on Amazon. I will put the link for it down below. I also will put the link for my new Happy Memory Keeping Planner. It's a Happy Planner kit that I picked up too. If you want to see that one, I will put the link for my video. I did the unboxing for that on this past Monday. So I wanted to do an unboxing of this, and then I would get started back with my new journaling in this Bible starting next week. So this is called the NIV Journal the Word Bible, and I'm not sure what the company, it's by Zondervan. It comes in this box here. It says it's a standard print, so I think it's about the same size as my Inspire Bible, and it says it lays flat, and it's in the NIV version. The Inspire Bible was, I think, English Standard Version, and I grew up on the NIV, so I like this, and I just love the cover on this. I believe it's a faux leather, but it looks pretty. It's nice. It's a brown leather. It says it's Italian duotone, whatever that means. But I love the turquoise on the front, and the stitching is just so beautiful. Look at that. And I received this from my best friend, Michelle. Thank you, Michelle. You watched some of my videos. So that's what it looks like on the spine. So here's the front. It's nice and blank canvas. I can go in here and do some painting or whatever. And this Bible is 6.5 inches wide by 8.25 inches tall, and probably about 1.5 inches deep or thick. So I said it's the standard print. So I'm not sure what size that is, what font size. It's probably maybe a 10. I'm not sure. It has the preface, and then it has about a 2-inch spine, which is this, you know, about the standard for regular journaling Bibles. I know they do have other bigger Bibles that have more space. I will find a few of the other ones and put those links down below so you can compare them. I know there's a new illustrating Bible that I think came out by Illustrated Faith. I'm not sure. I will put the link for that one down below, but it is huge. It has, like, I think a 4-inch margin, which would be awesome if you have the space for that. But I wanted to keep mine small because I don't have a lot of space. So that's that's pretty much it for this. I don't need to really take you through the whole thing. I'll just flip through here. It has a creamy color of a background, if you're okay with that. And of course, there's some of the pages that have more space, like this in Job, depending on how the lineup is, the alignment, if you know what I mean. So there's lots of space here. I'm going to love that. So most of it looks like throughout Psalms is like that. Yeah, that's going to be awesome. But it does lay pretty flat, you know, as flat as it can be. And then it looks like there is a bookmark, a ribbon bookmark. So that's nice. And it's the color, the turquoise color. Love that. That'll be nice to, when I'm doing my devotions and trying to figure out what verse I'm going to be journaling, this will be nice because my other Bible didn't have that. I can mark it where I'm going to be doing my journal entry. So let's see. Now here it's more aligned on both sides, so it's just the two. But it looks like a lot of the pages have a ton of room on them, so that'll be exciting. The pages themselves, like the thickness, it's about the same, I think, as my Inspire Bible. But I don't know. I don't think it said like how thick. Let me look at the box back here. Doesn't say. It says this is the chocolate turquoise Italian duotone. But other than that, it doesn't say like how thick the pages are or anything. I don't think it had any more. No. So lots of page space here. And then the back page is the same. Let's see, it has one ending page, one space, a little bit of space there, space here. So not a lot of extra pages in the back, but that's okay. I usually only journal on the page itself of the verse. So yeah, I love this Bible. Thank you, Michelle, again for getting this for me. I just love it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.